So it's true, you make your own dresses, right?
Yeah, I think we can say that. So basically I use like giant pieces of fabric. I wrap them around myself, so it's efficient. We're working in hard conditions, so a piece of fabric doesn't last very long. It looks like I dropped some spaghetti on it, but it's actually like mud from Arizona. It's probably recoverable with like really toxic products, but I won't have access to that before the end of the trip, so I'll just go buy a new one.
What kind of place is for light painters? It's so full of things that would be great for light painting. I'm like,
Solid pink colored dress will be perfect with the light. It's gonna like shine a bit, make great silhouettes. This little flower with shiny thing. So I'm good to go.
great.